Good afternoon, everyone. This is our project module named Introduction to Construction Industry in Taylor's Foundation Program. Our group is the combination of two batches, which is the March intake and also the August intake of 2018. Our tutor is Miss D. We are made up of 7 members, which is Jovi, Charshichi, Louis, Nima, Sarah, Shiming, and Misha. First of all, I'm going to share about the information of our 2-story bungalow. It is located at Subang Jaya, which is a city located in the Petaling district, Selangor, Malaysia. It has a total built-up area of 5,713 square feet. The site is under the local authority of Subang Jaya area, which is the Subang Jaya Municipal Council. Nonetheless, it has a sloping site and it has an approximate budget of 3 million to build this house. The aim of this project is to provide a living space.
The client and site requirements include 3-story bungalow with Balinese interior style and indoor water feature, with GPI gold rating features, with a retaining wall due to sloping slide, and eco-friendly and sustainable.
The style of the interior should be Balinese style. This will include ventilation, open space, indoor plants, natural lighting, eco-friendly resources, and wooden finishing. The bungalow should achieve a gold rating, which will improve its energy efficiency, water efficiency, and the quality of the indoor environment and sustainability. Retaining walls are required to reduce the pressure that is created by the slope inland. The walls should include air brake, gutter, and weep holes. The client needs a 3-story bungalow to build this. We need a planning approval from the local authorities and a strong foundation for the building.
There are 9 characters: architect and quantity surveyor as our group task, CNS engineer, M&E engineer, contractor, landscape architect, interior designer, green building consultant, and land surveyor as our own role. The first team player is architect, which is our group task. Architect required to understand client's brief, preparing conceptual sketch, designing building plan, prepare constructions plan and details drawing, assist in tendering process, supervise constructions process, site valuation for interim claims, and prepare certificate of compliance and completion. The second team player is quantity surveyor, also one of our group tasks. Their job is to advise client on construction costs, prepare preliminary costs, prepare the bill of quantity, site valuation for interim claims, and prepare for final account. The third team player is CNS engineer, which is Tiffany. Her role is to analyze and design structure that support or resist loads, design the individual structural elements of a structure, advise the client and architect of the most efficient method of providing their specialist service, prepare details drawing within the architect's design, prepare design calculations and material specifications, check quality of workmanship and correct use of materials during constructions.
The fourth team player is interior designer, which is Sarah. Her roles are analyze client's brief, prepare conceptual drawings, prepare floor plan, elevation and also item document, preliminary costing with QS, place item in orders, and also installation and management. Furthermore, the fifth team player in our group is green building consultant, which is Shimin. She advised architect on requirement for gold rating GBI, sustainable structural system, lifespan on components and materials, design of landscape, analysis and final design of the building, and also make payment of the required site registration fee. The sixth team player is land surveyor, which is our team leader Jovi. She is doing site surveying, soil investigation, site measurement, and also land method. The seventh team player in our group is Louis. He is doing mechanical and electrical engineer. He calculates the water demand, electricity demand, and also fire safety requirement. The eighth team player in our group is contractor, which is Misha. She estimates costs to formulate a bid price, plans the construction phase, provides safety instruction to the public and workers, prepare timetable to estimate the due date, and also she completes some paperwork such as legal permits. The last team player in our group is landscape architect, which is Nimna. He understands the requirement of the project, prepare plan and specifications, prepare graphic representations of plans, select landscaping materials, and also analyze environmental condition.
There are 5 stages in development stage. The first one is schematic design. Secondly, design development. Thirdly, contract documentations, contract implementations, and the final one, final completions. In schematic design stage, there will be meeting, site analysis, conceptual sketch, preliminary cost and zoning. For design and development stage, drawing plan, CNS drawing, M&E drawing. For contract documentations, there will be construction plan, bill of quantities, tendering process, and contract signing. For contract implementations, there will be management, progress meeting, progress payment. For final completion, there will be certificate of completion and compliance. For schematic design, everyone involved in these stages, except for contractor. In design development stage, there's only architect, CNS engineer, M&E engineer, interior designer, and green building consultant is involved. In contract documentation stage, there's only quantity surveyor, architect, and contractor are involved. In contract implementations, contractor, architect, CNS engineer, M&E engineer, quantity surveyor, and interior designer are involved. In final completion, there's only architect and quantity surveyor are involved in this stage.
Architects and consultants are appointed to build a 3-story bungalow. The team analyzes and understands the client brief and requirement. Architect as a leader, instruct and coordinate with the consultant team.
In these stages, which is the schematic design, the architect will assist the land surveyor to do the site analysis. The main purpose of doing site analysis is to provide true information about the site asset and liability prior to starting the design process. The building design should be in harmony with those beneficial site conditions and strive to save, reinforce, amplify, and improve on what it is existing. The land surveyor had found out that the topography of our site is actually sloping. By that, the CNS engineer has to come up with the best solution to fix the sloping site. Other than that, our site has a total areas of 5,713 square feet. Furthermore, the land surveyor will be carrying out the soil investigation in order to understand the soil type. Based on my research, I had came up with the conclusion of the soil type, which is the granular soil. Granular soil is basically sand with little or no clay contained. Granular soil cannot be molded when moist and scrambles easily when dry. That well portrayed the main reason of the sloping site. This is because in Subang Jaya area, the weather is mainly dry. After all of the investigation, the land surveyor conduct a pre-consultant with MPSJ in order to understand the zoning. Other than that, land surveyor also have to obtain the planning permission from the planning department in MPSJ. Lastly, the land surveyor have to prepare the documentation of the site and submit it to the land office to obtain land method for further proposal. Architect then have to analyze client's brief and prepare preliminary conceptual sketch drawing. Concept drawing or sketches are drawing often freehand that are used by designers such as architect, interior designer as a quick and simple way of exploring initial ideas for design. The QS then have to prepare preliminary cost estimated and also the cost plan. Preliminary cost estimate included the cost of construction engineering, change orders, and also the environmental mitigation. While the cost plan actually included the units of measurements, levels of precision, control thresholds, rules of performance, and measurement.
The town planner then proceeds to do the zoning search, which is in Subang Jaya, and it is a term used for designating use of land parcels by local government. He considers factors such as the building height, its location, its total build-up area, etc. The town planner then prepares a development plan proposal to obtain planning permission from the local authorities.
Mechanical and electrical engineer is to apply utilities for the residents, respective department in Subang area, such as TNB, Shabas, and more.
After the planning permission have been obtained by the town planner, civil and structural engineer will be checking the underground installations and infrastructure. This is because underground installations and infrastructure is the essential support system for all aspects of above ground infrastructure and must considered in early stages of any project design. It can be separated into the three main areas, which are buried utilities such as water, electricity, gas, telecommunications, and more. Foundations on